Oh, the joys of having really old, rusty parts. Alright, so this rotor was seized on. Get yourself an, this is an M8 bolt. This is actually an 8.8. You can see it's an 8.8. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a really strong grade 8.8. Put the M8 into there and then actually start cranking this down until it pops this rotor loose. I hit it with a hammer about 16 times, it didn't budge. You put this thing in there and start drilling it down, it'll pop that rotor right off. As you can see, that little bolt down in there, it starts to push this away from the hub. Alright, here's an example of a rotor that's stuck. Right, it won't come off. I've already hit it with the hammer a few times. It's rusted on there really, really good. This is the example I was telling you about where you can use an M8 bolt that you thread in right here. There's two sides, there's one here and one here. If you thread that in and then tighten it down, it will push in and pop that rotor off. So that way it's not rusted in, and it'll come off and you can get it out. Alright, here you go, it just takes a couple turns. You hear that? Alright, you hear that? It popped it free. Now you just wiggle it off. Yep, so you can see down in here, this little bolt pops through and it pushes on right on here on this, right against this hub, pops this frozen rotor off, and you're done. The rotor is still stuck on, so this is always the fun time when these things happen. Get yourself a bolt and actually thread it in here, tighten this down, and that should actually push the rotor off of the hub. Right? As you can see, it's now loose. There. That's how you get a rotor off that's stuck to your hub.